Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Rhonda Robson and I am a fluid artist. Today I am going to be doing some bloom experiments. Okay, so number 6, I tried to do something different with this one. I decided to put my paints out in rainbow colors, and then I used the cell activator and I swiped it, and then I spun it, and then I did some cool stuff with it. I really am liking the color palette now, and this is where I really start discovering the different colors and how they're mixing together. So I think you're gonna really enjoy this one too. Well, at least I enjoy it. So let's get you down the canvas and let me show you how I did that one. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. Okay, bye for now. Bye. All right, another bloom experiment. This one, I think I might do a swipe. So which would be kind of cool to see that too. All right, let's get, I'm gonna get a palette knife here and I'm gonna spread this. Okay, there's some bubbles in there, so I'm gonna get my skewer out, get some of those bigger bubbles. And so yeah, I think I'll do some fun colors and then a swipe. So let's do like rainbow almost, right? So let's kind of do purple across here. And then it's not red, but it's pink. Let's just do purple. Let's go in, yeah, let's go in this. We'll do blue. We'll do a dark green. Do the light kind of green kind of color here. Oops, kind of got too much over the dark green, didn't I? So let me grab this, get some dark green right there. There we go. And then yellow or orange would be kind of next. So let's go ahead and do gold right there. And then the pink. All right, here we go. We're going to swipe. So cool. And then this one here. I'm gonna get some cell activator on this, kind of come this way. It's got some gold in there. All right, so I'm gonna tilt it this way just a little bit. I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit. See how the pink's kind of coming up behind there and the orange, which was gold? Now I'm gonna take my palette knife and kind of wreck it. I'm going to do like an infinity crazy 8, if you will, through this little area because it's like kind of not that. Okay. Let's just see. What this ends up doing. Let's let the paint kind of go back in together a little bit, especially this right here. I just need some white. There we go. Okay, are we ready to spin it? All right, let's spin it. Wow. I love how this turquoise went through that pink and made it, and the gold, and made it like almost like a coral color. I've put down my silicone mat down on this and in hopes to get some of the I don't know, drips, if you will. Kind of looks oceany, doesn't it? I like it. So I'm gonna stop here. I think, yeah, I think I'm gonna stop with this now, and I'll show you the end results. I'm gonna take some pictures first. Super cool. Almost should have did a heart. Looks really cool. So I like these colors together. I'm gonna have to do them again because I love, it looks like what I do, which is sunsets, beaches, and I do a lot of that. So this is a really great experiment for me because of that. I really like that. A lot. Like a lot. And what I mean by a lot, what I like about it isn't necessarily the composition of this, but the fact that I created the colors that I love for sunsets and oceans. And now that I know that, I can create that myself. Does that make sense? Okay, thanks everyone. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.